In this video, we are going to create something like this architectural blueprint effect in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Open the image. I have already downloaded these images. If you want to check, link in the description. Then duplicate the layer and rename it your image or anything you want. So I would like to change your image. Then right click, convert to smart object, then going to filter, then stylish, find edges. Then create a new adjustment layer, solid color. Then pick a blue color. Then blur your image layer. Then change the blending mode to screen. You can see the some rough edges. So just create a new adjustment layer, even saturation, and reduce the saturation and clipping mask it. Then you can now double click the smart object layer. Then any images you want, just copy, then paste it, then transform and resize the image, then just save the image. You will get the blueprint effect automatically. So thanks for watching.